Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to clean coffee machine and its parts like portafilter, drip tray, group head and other parts. So first, let's remove portafilter and its parts. The inside filter. Use spoon for removing these parts and using this coffee powder cleaning powder detergent, put 3 to 5 grams of detergent into the hot water. Remove all portafilters and open like this. These all parts should be removed and put into the hot water using detergent cleaning powder, which is specifically used for cleaning coffee machine parts. Keep it for 10 minutes. Using this nut extractor, we will remove group head strainers as well. Put this into the detergent water. Now let's remove other strainers of group head as well. Insert the blind screen without holes filter into the portafilter. Using same method, put 3 to 5 grams of detergent into the portafilter. Insert the portafilter into the group head. Press continuous button middle and let run for 10 seconds and stop. Repeat 5 times. See, this is now clean. Now we will move to the next group head and we will clean it with brush. You can use brush to clean it with detergent, but you have to make sure that you are cleaning it properly and no detergent remains there in the group head. Now 10 minutes are complete. Let's clean the portafilters using sponge or scrubber. Steel scrubber you can use. This is soap with lemon. It is optional, it's not necessary. You can skip this. A sponge is enough to clean this now because we have already used cleaning powder. This just gives the finish and shiny part. Now you can see the result is how much it is clean. All parts should be cleaned fully so that it looks clean and it will give a fresh taste of coffee. All parts should be cleaned this way. These are the strainers of group head. You have to make sure that no part of the portafilter group head is lost. Okay, now put all these things back to the portafilter. Now carefully wash this. The larger one comes first, then the second smaller one comes second. Now by using the same method we will make them tight. A little bit tight, not much more. See, this is now very clear. Now we place back its original portafilter strainer into the portafilter and press continuous button middle and let run for 10 seconds and stop. Repeat 5 times to rinse group head and the portafilter. Now let us clean the drip tray and its parts. Wipe the machine with cleaning cloth tissue. Make sure the machine is clean before making and serving espresso or coffee again. Every part should be cleaned thoroughly. The upper side heating area should be also cleaned with a tissue and knockout box should be also cleaned. See now the all surfaces are very clean, all the spoons, all the cups are very clean. Pull shot of espresso and discard it. The first shot should be discarded so the taste remains fresh.